Welcome back. We are currently in tax season. Many of us hope to get a refund after filing our taxes. But if a supposed tax preparer promises to get you a big refund after your filing, beware. Leah Napoliello from the Better Business Bureau of Greater Houston is here to walk us through some red flags. Leah, good morning.
Good morning.
So talk to us how tax preparers set up shop. We all know, we see them around town setting up shop in various spots, and they get people to use their service. But what should people be aware of?
You should watch out for what we're seeing every year, basically, are people that are hiring tax preparers that are fraudulent. So they will prepare your return, but then they will not sign off on it at the very end, which they should do. And then later, if there are any problems or omissions with that tax return, then you're going to be held liable for that because it's basically self-filed and that tax preparer is gone. You can't find them, reach out to them for any assistance whatsoever. So it can be a very terrible situation.
You know, I've always wondered, seeing these places pop up, I assumed, and I probably should not assume, but I assume that they must have some sort of certificate in order for them to prepare documents for the government. Is that not accurate?
They should have a preparer tax identification number. So you should check for that and make sure that they have that before you hire that particular tax preparer. But sometimes the fraudulent ones won't even have that. So that is important to check on that. And also check with the IRS. There are certain credentialed tax preparers like enrolled agents and tax attorneys that are going to be listed there. So that's a great resource too.
So talk to me, if they don't have that certificate, are they finding another workaround, or does part of this fall back on the person looking for the service and they need to just do their homework?
Yeah, basically the person looking for the tax preparer needs to do their homework and make sure that their preparer has that number. And when they, fill out the tax return, they should put that on the tax return as well, the preparer. So if they're not doing that, then that's what we're saying, that they're ghosting their clients. Basically, they're not signing off on the form. And then you as the client would be held liable and responsible for any issues with that tax return.
Okay, and any red flags we should look out for as we start this process?
Yes, you should watch out during the sales pitch. If the preparer is saying that they can get you a large refund or a refund very quickly when they don't really know your whole situation, then that's a big red flag because they should, they can't know if that's going to be possible or not. So be wary of that type of claim going into it.
Okay, Leah Napoliello, as always, thank you very much.
Sure, thank you for having me.
We'll be right back.